Hey guys, this is Jessica and welcome back to my channel, The Retro Farmhouse. Today we're going to go ahead and get into this video. It's just an easy fall Dollar Tree DIY and we're going to be making some fall garland. I'm just going to use some jute twine, this buffalo check tote bag I got from the Dollar Tree, and also these burlap leaves which you can also get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start out here and I'm just going to cut my one side of my tote bag, and I'm also just using some extra from a previous project. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my burlap leaf and I'm going to trace out 4 of these in my buffalo check pattern. Now I'm just going to take my craft scissors and I'm going to cut out each one of my leaves. Next, I'm just going to take some of my white craft paint and I'm just going to paint this on the edges of my burlap leaf. Then I'm just going to stretch out my jute cord, making sure I have plenty of jute left over on the ends, and I'm going to hot glue each one of my leaves to this, alternating them between the burlap and the buffalo check. For my next garland, I'm going to take this gold embossed ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut this into 16-inch strips. I ended up doing 6 of these, and then I put these on top of each other and I cut these down into 2-inch strips. So you should get 3 of these strips per one larger strip. To tie them onto my jute string, I'm just going to loop this together. Then I'm going to take my tails and take them up under the jute and pull them through my little loop. Now, a little side note, I did not tighten these all the way so that I could allow them to move and evenly space them. Once you get them where you want to, then just wiggle them back and forth to tighten them in place. Next, I'm going to use my Folk Art metallic paint in copper and my Emperor's Gold paint. I believe this is in a decor brand, and I'm going to paint the edges of my burlap leaves. I also got these leaves from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to paint 3 of these gold and 2 of them in the copper color. Next, I'm just going to hot glue these on and space them evenly across the jute part of my garland. For our third rendition of fall garland, I'm taking my lace ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm just measuring out some strands in 16-inch increments. Then I'm going to take my jute cord and I'm going to measure out several pieces in the 16-inch length and several pieces in the 8-inch length. Now I'm going to loop these onto a long piece of jute using the same method I used previously. Just take the tails, loop them up through, and pull it through. I'm making a different pattern, so I have a small jute, a lace ribbon, a long jute, a small jute, a lace ribbon, and so on. Now taking this 50 pack of leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree, I did take this and I also painted these with the same previous paint that I used in the copper and gold, just to kind of give it some different dimension, and I also like to use a lot of the metallic paints during fall. I'm then going to take my leaves after they've dried and I'm just going to hot glue these onto my jute cord. So I'm going to do one onto the short jute cord and two onto the longer pieces. Now some of my shorter pieces did tend to turn around, so I didn't really want it to show the back side. So if that happens to you as well, I just took another small leaf and I hot glued it onto the back side of that one, so that even if it kind of flips, you're not going to see that jute cord piece. And here's how our garland turned out. I think this looks great in any place in your house. You can put it on a door, you can put it on a mantle, you can probably lay them on a table piece if you've got a bunch of fall items on there as well. And these are really simple and easy to make, so anybody with any craft level can do these. I think my favorite would have to be this gold one. I just love all of the metallic prints and the metallic colors that this has with this one, and it was just super easy and simple to make. I was able to make all 3 of these for under $10, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you again for our next DIY.